What's up, guys? Am I focused? Okay, cool. Vlog number 2. First, I want to give thanks to those who did watch my video. I appreciate it. How would you look at her? Sexy and clean. Look how cute she looks. Ooh, that shine. It didn't have that shine before. It was really dirty. So we gave it a wash so we can see the overall look after the engine bay has been done. It looked pretty clean, but don't mind this. I can't get my window to close, so I have to put that so like no animals will get inside and stuff. Yeah, but anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys and reveal it. You don't know how bad I want to show you guys the paint job. It looks so clean. I just pulled it out. It looks so beautiful. I don't think you guys are ready for this. Here's the time, guys. Here comes the paint job. Imagine with the engine in. That's gonna even look even better with the engine in. I just can't wait. And then there's more to come, but I just don't want to spoil the rest. All right. So here it goes. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it looks so clean. Wow. Alright, here's a closer look. Meanwhile, I'm gonna take out all the tape. I haven't done that yet. So. This shit is stuck in there. Jesus. Oh. There's a big ass chunk right here. Oh shit. Wow. Oh, I can't get that one out. This part was a pain in the ass to sand. Fuck that. I did sand this whole car by hand too. Let me tell you, sanding by hand is not easy. If you do it on a machine, obviously it's easier. You're not killing yourself. But to be honest, you need some special tools in order to sand this with like the engine bay, because there's so many like small little spots you need to get detailed with, and it's harder with hand, but I try my best. Forgot that one. So far I think it's clean. What's next? I don't know. Well, now I have to find the brake booster, which I think is inside the car. So now I think I'm gonna just take out everything that is in the car. See what type of goodies are inside the car. Just kidding. Where the fuck's the trash can? Oh, I see it. There you are. Man, there's spiders everywhere. Shit. I need gloves, actually. Some mess in that car. Where the fuck are the gloves? Oh, perfect. I think I should take off the quick release or else I'm gonna get hit big time. Getting hit by steering wheel actually hurts. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Freaking hot. I'm gonna stay under here meanwhile. Let me just show you guys like exactly what this car is coming with. Jesus, it's pretty dirty in here. I'm already sneezing. I will be doing a brake tuck, which I'm excited for because I've seen the pictures and trying to figure out what the hell are people doing to make their engine base look so clean. Look at the dash. Should I just put it on and get it running right now? No, I'm just kidding. It looks nice. This is exactly what I was looking for, the brake booster. Oh, the brake lines. I don't think I'm going to be needing these though. But we'll see. That's for the next video. More fenders. I mean, that's a fender. Sorry. More plastic stuff. Well, anyways, I think I'm going to close the vlog now. Because I still got more work to do, like put all this stuff away as well. And thank you guys again. Bye. I'm done. I can't close the vlog. I can't. Okay, bye. Bye.